Do you know that you can see and control your Instagram Reels algorithm? In this video, I'm going to show you how. But before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you get more tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump into my phone and let me show you how you can see and control your Instagram Reel algorithm. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app. This is a very fun way to see what's the algorithm thinking about you. Click the reel icon at the bottom, the one with the play button. Okay, at the top right, you can see there's two lines with two hearts in it. Click on that, and then you can see your algorithm. So you can see that my algorithm is I've been into basketball, personal drive, and turning passion into online venture. So you can add accordingly what kind of content you want to see more, or what kind of content you want to see less of. So everything you put it here. Alright, and then you can even share your algorithm, which I have shared as well. So yeah, so this is a fun way for you to see and control your Reels algorithm. Okay, to let yourself know what Instagram thinks about you. Sometimes they know more about you than you do yourself. Alright, so if you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.